Hey Aaron, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beautiful chick. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be exploring a wide array of pots and kitchen utensils that are absolute game changers in the culinary world. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, having the right tools in your kitchen can make all the difference in creating mouth-watering dishes. I am going to dive into various types of pots and pans that every kitchen should have. You should have at least stock pans. You should have non-stick frying pans, cast iron skillets. You should have copper saucers. You should have wok. Some people have milk pan. I do not have one. You should have a steaming basket, a baking sheet, silicone spatula, just a variety of utensils in your kitchen that is very essential for culinary activities. Some people have saute pans and different varieties of frying pans. Woks are perfect for saute, stir fries, and saucepans are for heating up sauces, just like the word, for making your porridges like oatmeal, for melting butter, and basically that. Saute pan is a go-to pan for sauteing vegetables. You can sear your chicken and prepare like quick one-pan meals. And what do you do with your stock pans? Perfect for stews, soups, basically stocks. And there are a range of other items that are amazing. I am a coffee lover, and as a coffee lover, I just come to the store and gloat at all of this. I cannot afford all of this, and they are expensive. They're industrial. So you also may want to look at toast machines. There is just a variety of them. Kettles, they're beautiful, they're glossy, they are useful. Some, in my personal opinion, are just overrated. But hey, you want your kitchen game to go up a notch. So consider all of these things. They make the culinary journey an easy one. So it's time for revolution. What do I mean by that? If you have old stuff, try and up your game, because there are a lot of items that are out there. Like I said, be you a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast like me, they are a must-have for your culinary adventure. Please like this video, leave me a comment, consider subscribing if you haven't, and I will bring more culinary tips, delicious recipes, and exciting kitchen gadget reviews. Happy cooking when you get to buy any of these beautiful kitchen utensils. I hope it is something you're considering in the near future. It's been an amazing journey creating content for you, vlog life, I've been creating content for the past 27 days daily. Oh my god, I did that. It has been tasking, but honestly, I am so blessed to be able to do this. I guess I will see you in my next video. I love you. God bless you, you, and you. I am out of here.